Alright guys, check out this screen. This is BTC USD, and like last week I was telling you to go in on like on a Friday night when it was like 8700-ish. This is the Bitfinex chart, so this is not the conclusive price everywhere. As a matter of fact, there were other exchanges that were selling for 8500, but based on my analysis that I sent out on Friday, I did say 8700 is a really good entry to go into. The downside was 8500, the upside is 9000, and they were looking at 10,000 and 11,000 within 3 days. So right now it's taken the minimum, and actually right now is good as well that it's gone past the 9,000, because that's actually just a little bit past the safety zone that we discussed. So a couple of safety zones like the 9,000 is one, the 10,000 is the next one, but now there's above the 9,000. We're actually looking at like 10,000, and what's interesting as well is that within the last couple of hours it actually went to a high of like 9119, so it's nicely above the 9,000 resistance, and we can actually go for more. We can go for like the 9,500, and once past that we're looking at 10,000. So I hope you guys took action when I told you on a Friday. Um, like I know the people who are subscribed to my list come in different categories. Some of you do binary options with me. Some of you do Forex with me. Some of you do crypto investing with me. And regardless of which, my tip last week was to just go out there and buy it. Like just go out there and buy it, because relatively, okay, like for me, what I did was that I swapped my existing uninvested Ethereum into Bitcoin totally last week, because I saw that Ethereum was very stable the whole last week, and Bitcoin had a more upside potential for the last week. So I just did that. Why not any of the minor coins? Well, because minor coins, they don't hold value as well as these major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum. So looking at these ones in the meantime. Speaking of the things I was discussing about, I said buy on a Friday, because by the time Monday comes, you'll be up. So I did a small calculation, and I'm going to do a calculation for you again, and just going to bring up that calculator right here. So we are looking at 19119 being the highest, minus 8700, and that is, sorry, I think 9119 minus 8700, and that is 419 divided by 8700, and that is 4.8%. Okay, 4.8%. So it's kind of like it's falling a little bit short of what I said, but it's still pretty close. So I said buy on Friday because within the next 1-2 days you're gonna be up at least 5%. So it's just about there. Okay, and so I say again, easy 5%. And for those of you who are trading binary with me, your money is gonna worth about 5%. Once I buy it on a Friday, hold it till Monday, and then you deposit it into your pocket option. For those of you who want to do copy trading with me or to trade binary options, so when you convert it to fiat USD, the money is worth 5% more, right? At least 5% more. And then for those of you doing Forex with me, two markets, they have MT5 where you can trade your account in Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin rises, actually it doesn't even matter. You could have bought on Friday, deposit it into your two markets account, and immediately, from Friday as well. I mean, Friday nothing's going on, but you can start trading like today on a Monday in Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin continues to rise, your lot size becomes cheaper and cheaper in terms of how much Bitcoin it takes. So once again, that's for two markets. That is if you trade in the Bitcoin balance, and it has to be MT5. So I'll be trying to demonstrate that this coming week, because like my computer, I gotta free up some space so I can load parallel desktop, so I can put that MT5 and show you guys just how to navigate the two markets platform on that one. But by the way, I've checked out the online execution is superbly fast. Um, so is Pocket Option, by the way, in terms of binary, and they are also the first binary broker to have decimal pricing. So you can actually go like $3.29 for a trade, $1.55 for a trade. You can do stuff like that. So it's really, really cool. Excellent for money management. And then finally, for those people who are doing this super wallet with me called XR, and basically, if you on a Friday, I was saying convert. Okay, convert your token to Ethereum or whatever, because I mean, like, the prices are generally lower. and then today you can also have like 5% increase. At the same time, whatever Ethereum that they had, for those people who are out of the 30-day, the initial 30 days where there is a 30-day holding before, first 30 days is like a 10% penalty for early withdrawal. But those past first 30 days, I was like, swap from Ethereum to Bitcoin and put it back in, and then or reinvest more. So instantly you get like 5%, and your earning power goes up just because of that. So it's a really good weekend. I hope you guys were able to cash in on this tip. For those of you who heard my previous video on Friday, I hope you took the time to stock up. And for me this weekend, I didn't really do anything at all. I just basically lazed around and recharged, and didn't didn't drink, didn't party. Basically rested up really well so I could enjoy like 2 hours on a tennis court yesterday. I was trying to, you know, beat my sparring partner of the 1 year plus. After 9 kilos later, I still couldn't beat him on the tennis court. So I hope I drop another 4 kilos and more training and more diet and exercise regime, and I can finally do so within the next couple of months. So, anyways, this is a really exciting week ahead. Like for those of you in my Forex groups, look out for the upcoming daily analysis. Today I'm going to do one overview on a Monday. I don't usually do Mondays for the overview, but today I'm going to be doing one. Um, and for those of you in my pocket option copy trading group, I want to remind you guys again, do not turn on your copy trading until London or Europe open today, because the payout right now is really bad and a lot of stuff is still OTC. So turn it on only in London or New York, or better still, turn it on the New York market, and that will keep you safe. And for those of you who are trading IQ option with me, I hope you took my advice to use the Bitcoin 100 times on a Friday, because they will have multiplied your earning potential. So even those of you with small accounts, you still have a big opportunity to gain if you've taken the advice that I given out on Friday. So that's all for me to now in this video. Bye for now. Good trading.